Want to screen mirror or screencast your Android smartphone to your Toshiba Fire TV? Here's how to connect any Android device, whether you have a Samsung Galaxy, Xiaomi, Oppo, or Motorola, to your Fire TV for wireless screen share. First of all, you need to connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi you're using on your TV. If you want to check your TV's Wi-Fi, you can just go to Settings, then Network. After connecting to the same network, you'll need to open the screen mirroring window on your Fire TV. So from the settings, you'll need to go to Display and Sounds, then scroll down and click on Enable Display Mirroring. Now your TV will be discoverable by your Android device. So grab your Android, swipe down to open the control center and find the screencast or cast icon. If you can't find it or don't see it, then tap on the edit or pen icon and look for an option called Cast or Screencast. Just tap to add the option and exit out of the edit mode. And if you have a Samsung, from the control center you'll need to open Smart View and see if your TV pops up. If it doesn't, then what you gotta do is tap on the three dots, then go to Settings, Labs, and turn on both of these Chromecast options. Without enabling Chromecast support, you won't be able to screen mirror. And as soon as we turn this on, now your Fire TV will appear on your Android device. Just tap on it and click on Start Now from the pop-up. And in a moment, it will start mirroring your Android device's screen. So whatever you do will be shared to your TV. So now you can go ahead and view media on a bigger screen, or even share your gameplay while you're playing games. And that's all you need to know. Hope you found this useful. Enjoy!